Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how you can download and install Paxful application on your iOS device. The process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video right away. First of all, make sure to go ahead and open up your App Store from your iOS device. Also, connect your iOS device to a stable internet. Within the search box at the top, type in Paxful. Look for this application from Paxful Inc. Tap on the Get or the Download button, and then you will be able to start the download process. The Paxful app is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency market designed to facilitate the buying and selling of digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. The latest updates for Paxful introduce a bold modern logo and a mobile-first responsive interface that enhances accessibility, especially for global users accessing the platform via mobile device. Once the app is downloaded, tap on Open. And there you have it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Paxful application for your iOS device. You can now go ahead and create a new account or log into an existing one. If you don't want to log in or sign up right now, you can also explore as a guest. So that's how you easily install Paxful in just a couple of steps on your iOS device. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.